we moved to this country in 1980, like most people think that all you can do as a Hispanic is to work on the landscape or in the car wash. So everybody who was around me told me that. But I didn't believe it. I find a job working as a delivery driver for a movie industry company. I make a lot of deliveries to the movie studios and you see a lot of those stars. But I mean, come on, we're not Bob Hope. We have to find something else.
I used to be a housekeeper, a living housekeeper. I was working about 6 days a week, you know, from 6 in the morning until 10. There was no other option for me. I knew that I was not going to die doing that though. When you realize that you only work, help a family in a couple of hours, I would replace everything I would make in a week, in a couple of hours. So I realized that I was losing money by going to work.
I always was telling Sandy that we have to buy a business, we have to be independent, always. But of course, money is the issue. Most people have that good idea to be independent, but it's the money that is stopping.
At that time, we had our first baby and we bought a home and we found ourselves living one paycheck behind. So it was either one of us had to get a second job.
So when Primerica came to our home, I saw the light at the end of the tunnel. We made it, this is it, this is what I'm looking for. If I can be my own boss, that's it. I was happy. Now, of course, Sandy looked at the money part. How much money can we make?
I believe anybody can succeed, whether it doesn't matter what gender you are. But as a woman, by nature, people trust us more.
As long as you have the same dream, you can work together. Sandy has a strength that I don't have, and I have to admit it. The same way I have a lot of strength that she doesn't have. But we both going in the same direction. For me, freedom is not to be controlled by anything, not to be controlled by the clock, not to be controlled by anybody's ideas. For me, it's how you want to spend your time and with whom you want to spend your time. That for me is freedom.
When we got in the business about 16 years ago, it was the greatest thing back then. And I haven't seen anything but the company getting better and better and better. So today is the time to do it, because you're running out of time, but you don't realize it. I think that a brand new person starting today in the company has a bigger chance, because we have so many examples of success that we can pinpoint at. We have so much support from the company. We have so much leadership.
And my advice is don't wait till your children grow older and you lose the motivation to do the business. When Melissa, our daughter, was 3 years old, now she's 19 and she's involved in the business. This is the best. The moment that she decided to do this business, I know the process. I know how well she's going to be in the future. I'm happy for her because I know the businesswoman that she's going to become. I believe that when people are settled in a job that they hate, it's because the conditioning that they have had for a long time and they cannot fight it. So, and they settle, it's comfortable to be comfortable. And to be your own boss, you're going to be uncomfortable for a little while to be comfortable for the rest of your life. Our income last year, we cash flow $720,000. The only limitation on your income is how you think about yourself. But the company has no limitations on how much money you can make.
To be your own boss is great because you don't have to ask permission for anything. We sell freedom. We sell an opportunity to be everything that you can be. That's what we sell.
We don't beg anybody to join our opportunity. This is too big. This is too good. If people don't have dreams, of course they're gonna be left out. But you don't have to bring this opportunity down to their level. They have to come up to our level.
I think Primerica is for everybody, but not everyone is for Primerica, because some people will take it for granted, not understanding that they have freedom in their hands, and they'll toss it away.
Primerica is for everybody that has a big dream.